Good morning. Today's October 20th, and here's a quick market update for the Martin, St. Lucie, and Palm Beach County areas of Southeast Florida. And on the MLS, we have added 189 new listings to the market in the past 24 hours. Only 158 have sold. The current average for the 30-year mortgage is 3.35%, which is down 2 basis points from this time last week. That's according to BankRate.com. And I want to highlight some things that are coming up here pretty soon. This is one of my listings. It's in Hobe Sound, new construction. We're going to be doing an open house here on Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 5. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1,764 square feet of living space. It's very close to Hobe Sound Beach off of Gomez Avenue. So if you're familiar with the old Hobe Sound area, you might want to come check this one out. All right, so that will be Saturday and Sunday, 2 to 5. And then if you have interest in a condo on the beach, and particularly in Jupiter, this is Ocean Trails. And if you want more information on that, just stay tuned. I should be able to share some more info on this one in the next week. But this will be a listing that will be coming up soon, and I'll be able to tell you more about that when it hits the market. And then also, if you have interest in new construction in Jensen Beach, you may have heard of DR Horton and the communities that they're building that they got coming up. So this one is called Sable Pointe. It's very similar to the Seawalk neighborhood, which is just around the corner. So we'll be able to start selling these homes pretty soon. And in fact, I'll be at Seawalk tomorrow from 10 to 6. So if you want some more information on Sable Pointe, this new construction community, just come by and see me, or even better, give me a call. My name is Joe Capra, and my phone number is area code 772-999-1979. I hope you have a great day.